Okay, really quick, here are 3 ways to make money as a copywriter on Fiverr. Number 1 is SEO copywriting. SEO copywriting is probably one of the most core groups of copywriting related services that people offer for sale on Fiverr. SEO copywriting is where you would write content intended to help a website or a business rank higher in Google search. Businesses hire SEO copywriters to help build a steady flow of organic traffic to their website, which is a core part of most modern marketing strategies. To be a good SEO copywriter, you both need to have an understanding of SEO and how to incorporate it into the copywriting, as well as the ability to quickly understand a variety of different types of industries, genres, and niches, because odds are you're probably going to get hired by a lot of different types of companies to write SEO optimized copy to drive traffic to their businesses. And you also need to be able to write content that people actually want to read. A lot of the times, SEO is incorporated into blog posts, evergreen posts, or articles on topics that business's audience would probably be interested in. So you got to be able to write stuff that people actually read. The second way you can make money copywriting on Fiverr is through social media copywriting. It's probably no surprise to you that most big brands are running pretty active social media accounts. Social media has become a huge way for brands to build hype, build loyal followings, provide customer service, build engagement, whole bunch of different stuff. Brands use social media nowadays for almost everything. But it's very time consuming because best practices for sites like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter are to post daily to help that brand bring in a steady flow of engagement and traffic. This is where a social media copywriter comes in. Copywriters would put together months worth of social media posts that their customers can use to post daily or weekly or however often they want to keep their following engaged on social media. Writing social media copy is pretty similar to the skill set you need to write ad copy because of the short, punchy nature of most social media posts. The third way you can make money copywriting on Fiverr is by writing press releases. A press release is a short news story that businesses can put out to bring publicity to their business or something new that's happening at their business. Selling press releases is a great option for savvy copywriters because it allows them to offer value both in the act of writing the actual press release as well as incorporating SEO into the press release so that it actually gets noticed and discovered on Google. And from a copywriting business perspective, they're a great thing to sell on Fiverr because usually they're pretty short and not super complicated projects. I see a lot of freelancers selling press releases starting at $100 a pop all the way up to $1,000 or more per press release. It's super lucrative, and if you can carve out your niche in the press release category on Fiverr, you can make a lot of money. So what do you think? This was a really quick video to show you 3 ways that you can leverage copywriting or your abilities as a copywriter to make money on Fiverr. Are you going to give any of them a shot? If you have any questions, leave them down below. We'll talk soon. Until next time, cheers.